My name is Carl Crave. I'm with Dynamic Renewables. We are the owner and operator of the BC Organics project here in Greenleaf, Wisconsin, located in Brown County. BC Organics processes manure from 11 different dairies, 2 of which are piped and 9 more which we truck manure from. So we have regular manure trucks that come in just like a farm would normally have a milk truck. We collect their manure. We bring it to the site where we process it into 3 products. We make renewable natural gas, which is sold as vehicle fuel. We create bedding, which goes back to the dairy farms for use in their barns and their free stalls. And then we create clean water. So by concentrating the nutrients, we have water, which is about 40% of the volume, which goes back into the local watershed, which is the East River here. To create those products, we bring manure into the receiving building where it starts the process. We pump the raw manure into the 16 digesters. Each digester is 1.3 million gallons. And inside the anaerobic digester, we heat it to 100 degrees. We mix it. Under those conditions, it's in there for about 3 weeks. And we produce biogas. Biogas is mainly methane. And we scrub out the non-methane components of the gas so that it's almost 100% methane. At that point, it's the same quality, or if not better, than the natural gas in the natural gas pipeline. Once we pump it into the natural gas pipeline, it can go to customers to be used as vehicle fuel. After the manure has been in the digesters for those 3 weeks, we take it out, and that product, we squeeze the fiber from the liquid. The fiber is then dried, and that's what produces the bedding that gets hauled back to the dairy farms. The pressate from that process goes to a further water treatment process where we essentially have several stages of filtration that continue to remove the suspended solids, then the dissolved solids, leaving us with the clean water that can either be discharged to the river or sent back to the 2 local dairies for land application. BC Organics started being developed as a concept or an idea back in 2017. Brown County had a study on how to better handle manure and allow farmers to be more profitable and more environmentally friendly long-term. So we responded to that RFP, and some of our studies are what eventually led to this project. The construction began about 1.5 years ago, and after about 1 year of construction, we started pumping manure and filling digesters. And here we are about 1.5 years later, and we are making biogas and finishing commissioning of the facility. BC Organics is unique in its size and number of farms. So with the 11 participating farms, we are utilizing practices that we've done on smaller projects in the past. We are just doing it at a much greater scale. This project was unique in what the farmers were trying to achieve. They didn't just want a profit share or a share in the gas sales. They wanted to help solve manure problems. They were looking for more tools to be better stewards of their manure, and this project offered them a solution to that problem.